Joining new yarn using the magic knot method. When you need to join on more yarn or you want to change colour, you can do so using the magic knot method. Take your new yarn and tie it to itself around your existing yarn. Tie it in a nice tight double knot to make it nice and secure. Then take the tail of your existing yarn and do the same thing. Tie it to itself around your new yarn. Again with a nice secure double knot. Now holding on one end of your current yarn and your existing yarn, pull the two to bring both knots together in the center, creating a nice strong knot. And now take a scissors and trim away any excess tails to tidy up your magic knot. You can now continue knitting as normal, and your new yarn will be incorporated as you continue your stitches.